Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, and today I am bringing you this flawless FroHawk on a tapered cut, and all of the products that I use are by As I Am, so let's get started. Just like I begin any tutorial, we are going to cleanse the hair first, and I'm starting off with the As I Am Long and Luxe Strengthening Conditioner. I applied a generous amount of this because I absolutely love the way that it lathers and gently cleans the scalp. Following that, I am going to condition with the As I Am Long and Luxe Conditioner, and after I apply that thoroughly, I am going to let it sit on my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it out. I'm a huge fan of the lock method, so I'm going to use the As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Yogurt Leave-In Conditioner throughout my tresses, and then for my scalp, I am going to use their Scalp Serum and kind of almost use that as a sealant oil, and this also has biotin in it, so it's going to promote healthy hair growth. So I'm taking a bit of time to massage that in, and that actually stimulates the scalp. Then we're going to move into the styling process. I'm using my dimming brush to detangle large sections of hair. I'm going to apply the As I Am Long and Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie to each section, detangle it once again, and then do a twist and curl, but I'm going to do them in chunky sections. So you just 2-strand twist all the way to the end, and using perm rods that fit your hair, you're going to then roll your hair with the 2-strand twist in it. I'm going to go through this about 1 or 2 more times to show you guys. 2-strand twist all the way to the end, and then take a perm rod set to your liking or a flexi rod and roll it up to the shaft of the hair. I didn't roll it all the way up. I let it hang just a little bit so that my roots could dry quicker. The next morning, I'm feeling it. My hair is soft, and so I'm going to remove every single one of these perm rods and begin this actual takedown process. To eliminate frizz, you want to split the curls where they naturally split, and then wrap them back around your finger and kind of pull them taut. Just continue to repeat that process throughout your entire head. Now let me just slow this clip down so that we can take a moment and enjoy these curls. Back to the tutorial. So now we're going to go into the fluffing process. This is optional, but I'm going to add volume. So using a pick, I'm going to pick at the roots. Do not pull all the way through, and a good method is to kind of wiggle it in so that you're not disturbing any curls or popping any strands, which can cause breakage. Now I'm going to use their Grow Edges Edge Control, and this stuff, bruh, oh my God, you talking about edges laid? It does that with the smallest amount. I had to learn the first time because I used a little bit too much. But you're going to apply this to the edges, and using some bobby pins, what I'm going to do is brush up the front part, pull it taut, not tight, taut, and then we're going to pin this down to create this FroHawk look. I would advise you to use as many bobby pins as you possibly need, and if so, use maybe like some gold bobby pins or some silver bobby pins, so that just in case they show, they add that extra oomph to your hair, and it kind of looks like hair jewelry or like you did it on purpose. Now when I get to the back of my hair, to really create that FroHawk look, I'm actually going to slightly pin the back. Being that my hair is tapered, this is going to give more of an illusion of an actual FroHawk, and the hair will be even almost all the way around. Once one side of your head is done, you're literally going to repeat the exact same process on the other side. Brush it up, pin it down, and then begin to pin the sides to create literally the perfect FroHawk. We're not done, but we're almost there. We're going to take that pick again and apply a bit more volume just so that it looks evenly natural. And this is actually going to make the hair look way longer than what it is. A quick tip, if you want your hair to fall on your face, weave a bobby pin in and out of the front and then kind of shape it to where you want it to fall. I like to call this my Superman curl. I wanted to thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. Make sure that you check the description bar below for all of the details regarding this video. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.